Hi, I'm Chloe from GroupTogether, and today I'm going to be showing you how to refund or delete a message from your card. Now, when you log in, you have your dashboard, which shows you your active and your past cards and collections. Today, we're working with my farewell card. If you go to the card here and click your Edit Group Card button, you'll be able to see all the messages on the card. Now, if I click this, I'm able to delete a message for someone. I can edit it for them. I can remove the photo. I can edit the photo. But if I press delete here, it will remove their message on the card. If I go to Amanda's message and I'd like to delete it, if there's no delete button, that means that they've also contributed as well as written on the card. So if I wanted to delete their message, I would have to refund them too. So say Amanda contributed, but it was in error and she didn't want to contribute so much, or she wanted a refund for whatever reason, you can do that as the admin. So if you go back out to your track and manage page and you go to your group, which lets you view everyone who signed and contributed to the card, you press the drop down button and you have a refund button right here. Now, as long as your collection is still open, you'll be able to do that. So if you get this message that it's not open, you can reopen your card to say tomorrow, update it, go to your group again, drop down menu and press refund. The refund will go back instantly to the person that contributed through whatever payment method they used.